Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bank of America online banking, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into Bank of America online banking, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.bankofamerica.com and press enter. Once the Bank of America homepage loads, look for the Sign In button. This button is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you'll see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered username in the first field. Next, enter your password in the corresponding field. Ensure that your entries are correct to avoid login errors. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. If you forgot your username or password, there are links available for recovery. Click on Forgot ID/password if you need assistance retrieving your information. Follow the prompts provided to reset your password or retrieve your username. If you are a new user, click on Enroll to create your online banking account. Follow the instructions to set up your account and login credentials. Once logged in, you can manage your accounts, view transactions, and more. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.